Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of University of Bologna. University of Bologna is one of the top universities in Italy. Its applications are open, so do not miss this opportunity. I will guide you the step-by-step application process, so stay tuned till the end. First of all, go to the official website of University of Bologna. I will share the link in the description, so you will come directly to this page. So there are a number of programs in which you can apply. Check your relevant program and also its language and requirements. So these are the domains. There are many programs under these domains. You can check your language and requirement. So if we check in agriculture and food sciences, so there are many programs in which you can apply. You can check the program details by clicking on overview. Click on overview and then you can check its language, place of teaching, degree program, type of access and international programs. So must check language and its requirements before applying. Now let's talk about its application process. First of all, click on online services and then click on student online, manage your studies. After clicking, a page like this opens. Scroll down. Here you have to register yourself if you are a first time user. So click on register button. After clicking on register button, a page like this opens. Here you have to click on international students registration. Okay, so I have already registered myself. That's why it is showing like this. So basically in registration, you have to enter your personal information including your name, email, contact information, and then they will send your username and password through your email. And by using that email and password, you can log in yourself by clicking on login button. By clicking on login, click on enter with Unibo, and then by entering username and password, a page like this opens. So here you have to click on admission application. Click here. A page like this opens. First of all, you have to choose your degree program for which you are applying. So you can choose first cycle degree program, that is for bachelor's programs, and then scroll down. Second cycle degree program is for master's degree. So you can choose second cycle degree program for master's. Then click on next button. Now in step 2, you have to choose your course. So there are many courses you can apply. Choose your desired program and then move to the next. Now in this step 3 is select entrance exam group. So the only one option is available. Now move to the next. Click on next button. Next is personal data. Enter your personal information here. Your personal information is automatically shown here due to registration information that you have entered during registration, and the remaining part you have to enter. After completing this section, move to the next button. Click on next. Now the step number 5 is qualification. Here you have to enter your previous qualification details. If you are applying for master's program, then add the detail of bachelor's degree. So click on I already have a qualification. Choose your country. If I am from Pakistan, then I am choosing Pakistan. After that, enter university name and then academic degree title. Choose BS in your program. After completing this section, move to the next. Now the next step number 6 is statements. So international applicant, after reading the applicable regulations and the information available on this page, I hereby declare that I fall into one of the following categories. So choose one category from all of them. So choose the second one. I am a non-EU citizen residing outside Italy, and I have submitted or will submit a pre-enrollment application to Italian consulate. I am therefore participating in the selection process with non-EU candidates residing abroad. So choose the option number 2. After choosing, click on the next button. Now the step number 7 and last step is summary. Here is your application summary. Here check your application summary carefully. If you have any mistake, then you can edit your application by clicking on edit button. Make sure your application is accurate and authentic. After reading all the application, next is document. Choose type of document. Choose ID card or passport. So if you are choosing ID card, then choose ID card number. Enter here and then enter expiry date of ID card. If you are choosing passport, then enter the detail of your passport. So after completing your application, click on confirm button to submit your application. So in this way you are done with applying to University of Bologna. Its application process is very simple and this university has high acceptance ratio. So must apply in this university and study in Italy free. So do not miss this opportunity. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website dreamdegreeabroad.com to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe.